if you are a drone pilot, maybe someone who flies drones as a hobby, you need this lanyard. This is a lanyard for your remote control for your drone. Now, this thing is awesome. First of all, I absolutely love the actual fabric that goes around your neck here. This one has brown on the inside and blue, like a light blue, sagey blue color on the outside. It comes down with adjustable straps here, and then you've got these new designed, these are actually metal hooks. They're not plastic, so they're not going to break easily, that you connect to these little screw thread hooks here. Let's get one out and I'll show you properly. So you're going to put these on the bottom of your drone controller, yeah, and then you're going to hook this on. This onto here. Perfect. And then that's going to screw into the bottom of your controller, so you can have this hanging down when you're not using it, and it's going to be super convenient for you. You don't have to hold on to your controller the whole time. And yeah, just really nice. It feels really comfortable around my neck. Love that. So good, especially if you're like flying a drone in one spot and then you bring it down and then you're going to go to another location, but you don't want to pack it all up, put it back in its box. You could just have this, carry your drone and go. This thing is so cool. It's really well made, such high quality. I love that the straps are adjustable as well. So if you're a longer person, you want your drone closer or further away, then this is perfect. Really nice quality fabric on here. The stitching feels really nice. Give you guys like a nice close-up shot there. So cool. If you're a drone pilot, get yourself one of these. Highly recommend it. Go and get yourself one.